welcome back once again. This is Teacher Junior, and in this occasion, let's do some comparison. So yes, we're gonna talk about comparison and superlative. So let's begin. So comparative and superlative are used to compare or to show the change of something, also to talk about when something has the characteristics that defines it as the only one or like the unique in its own. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we need to understand the rules of the comparative. The comparative have some rules, which are the following. With one syllable or two syllable words, we're going to add ER. We're going to add ER with one or two syllable words at the end to make the comparison. And if we're talking about the superlative, we're gonna add EST. ER for comparative, EST for the superlative. Whenever we have a one syllable word, you know what we're going to do? We're going to add, or in some occasions, we are going to add the last word, the last consonant of the word before we add the ER. Okay? So for example, if we have the word big, B-I-G, then we're going to add B to the B-I-G, we're going to add G and then ER. So it's going to be bigger, it has to be B-I-G-G-E-R. That's going to be the comparative. And other thing that we need to know, for the comparative form, when we're talking about adjectives that has more than three syllables or three syllables or more, we're going to use more than. More than. That's going to be the pattern that is going to follow. For example, she is more intelligent than her. This is more interesting than that. And when it comes to the superlative, then in that case we're going to use instead of the more, we're going to use the most. Instead of more than, we're going to use the most. Okay, just in that occasion. So we need to keep in mind that they exist adjectives that are going to be irregular, that they don't follow the rules that we said before. And you might wonder, what are these adjectives? Let's see them. For example, we got good. Good is not going to be gooder or the goodest. No, good in the comparative is going to be better, and in the superlative is going to be the best. Okay? Then we got bad also. Bad is not going to be better, it's going to be worse, W-O-R-S-E, and in the superlative form it's going to be the worst. The worst. Also, we got the adjective far. Wow, it's too far. Far is going to be further for the comparative and the furthest for the superlative. But it has an exception. You can actually write it F-U-R-T-H-E-R or F-A-R-T-H-E-R. Okay? Far has that possibility that it can have a dual way to write it. So that will be it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like this video and share with your friends. The likes helps me a lot. I really pretty much enjoy doing this type of video for you guys. I hope that you keep learning and enjoying. Thank you for watching and see you on the next time. Goodbye, super students.